broken down blue collar, a chance to live a dream in Tennessee. In Tennessee.
We're chopping this tree down. See that? It's a shame. I hate to do it. We're chopping that one, and we're chopping that one.
We're a couple hours later here, and they cannot get the tree down. It's cut like 92%, and it won't come down.
I got for neighbors.
And we are shitting on. If this comes down, guys, it'll come down on the whole house. The shipping container will shift. It'll rip the electric out. It'll crush my bike.
Chris said all that.
And we don't even have a rope.
Well, Bill said that the rope wouldn't help anyway.
Well, I think the rope will help.
He said the rope ain't gonna help. Cross the fingers, everybody.
I'm telling you, it's gonna fall.
Well, you don't make the scanner
Get away
around
from
and hit the
It's gonna fall over here.
It's gonna fall right over there.
It's gonna fall over here.
It's gonna fall right over there.
Lord, please be on our side. This is all we have. Bow! I missed it. Bow! I missed it.
It didn't fall the way we expected it to fall, so now Bill's got to push it. Holy shit. Oh my God.
Now this is how you do it. Vermont, he came right out and just went right to it. And he lives in Clarksville, an Army man.
He works on high-rise buildings for the military, man. He's a serious dude. We're gonna put a link to his business address and all of that for anybody in the West Tennessee area. You want the shit done? He's only been here 20 minutes, and he has the whole tree down already. Just about. All right, so this is what we're left with. So, went online, and after researching everything, we realized that the Stihl chainsaw was just too much money, man. It was like an extra $150, so we went and got a Husqvarna 450 with a 20-inch bar. We got it for $2.99 with free shipping. Actually, it's brand new. It's not refurbished, it's brand new, but this is what we're left with, so stay tuned for future videos on cleaning this up. Time to play lumberjack.
a broken down blue collar.